Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 5.2 question number 3. In the adjoining figure, P is parallel to Q. Find the unknown angles. Let us find the various angles. Here you see this angle. This angle is 125 degree. This is angle E. This is angle F. This is angle A. This is angle B. This is angle C, and this is angle D. And PQ are parallel lines, and this line is the transversal. Right? First of all, we have to identify this one. Since P and Q, writing here since P is parallel to Q, P is parallel to Q, and this line is a transversal. Right? Suppose this line is L. So this line is L. P parallel to Q, and L is a transversal. L is the transversal. L is the transversal. We can say that this angle and this angle are corresponding angles. Therefore, we can say that angle D is equal to 125 degree. Why? Because you see here that if P and Q are parallel and L is a transversal, then angle D is equal to 125 degree, because these are corresponding angles. In bracket we are writing here corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Right? That this is also 125 degree. This is 125 degree. Right? And here you see angle D is equal to angle B. Angle D is equal to angle D is equal to angle B. Angle D is equal to angle B, because these are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles. Angle D is equal to angle B. Therefore, we can say that angle B is also 125 degree, and this is equal to. So we can say that angle B is equal to 125 degree. 125 degree. Right? Now, here you see that this angle plus this angle. Here you see this angle A and angle B are on the straight line. Then we can say that angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Right? We can say that. Right? Then we can say that angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, because they are angles on a straight line, because these are the angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. Right? Therefore, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. If we put the value of angle B, therefore angle A, then we can say that angle A plus 125 degree is equal to 180 degree. Right? Then we can say that angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree. If you subtract 125 from 180 degree, what you are getting, you see 180 minus 125 minus 125 degree. Then we are getting, this is 5 degree. Carry on, 2 and 3, that is 5, 55 degree, that is equal to 55 degree. That is angle C is equal to 55 degree, right? And this angle C is 155 degree, therefore angle A will also be 55 degree because they are vertically opposite angle. Angle C is equal to 55 degree, which will be equal same as equal to angle A, because these are vertically opposite angle, right? This angle A is equal to angle C. These are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Right? Now we got all the values. This D value, D is 125 degree. Let us write here. This is 125 degree. 125 degree. And angle B is same as that. The angle D is also 125 degree because these are vertically opposite angle. Right? This is 125 degree. Angle A is 55 degree. Because angles on a straight line is always 180 degree. Since A is 155 degree, therefore value of C is also 55 degree because they are vertically opposite angle. Right? We find these values. Right? Now, if you use another property, that angle A and angle E are same. Right? Why? Because they are corresponding angles. Right? Therefore, we can say that angle A, we'll rub this one. Let us rub this one. Right? Now, let us find. Now, here you see that angle A is equal to angle E. Angle A is equal to angle E, and that is equal to 55 degree. 55 degree. Why? Because angle A and angle E are corresponding angles. The reason is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Right? These are angle A is equal to angle E. These are corresponding angles. Now here angle A and angle E are corresponding angles. We have to find the angle of this F. Right? Here you see that angle, this angle plus this angle is 180 degree. Right? That is 125 degree because these are angles on a straight line. Because 125 degree, 125 degree plus angle F plus angle F is equal to 180 degree, because angles on a straight line, because angles on a straight line is 180 degree. Therefore, you can say angle F is equal to 180 degree, 180 degree minus 125 degree, 125 degree. If we subtract 125 from 180 degree, then we are getting, you see, 180, 180. If we subtract 125 minus 1, 2, 5, this is 5, 2 plus 1, 3, 5, 55 degree. That is 55 degree. Right? Now we'll learn the angles. Here you see that angle A is 55 degree. Therefore, angle A and angle E are corresponding angles. Since they are parallel, therefore angle E and angle A is same. That is, it is also 55 degree. 55. Or you can say that angle E is equal to angle F. Or you can find in this way also. Angle E is equal to angle F. That is, since these are alternate vertically opposite angles, right? Or you can find in this way also that this is 125 degree, this is F, therefore these are angles on a straight line, right? Therefore 125 degree plus F, angle F is equal to 180 degree, therefore angle F equal to 180 minus 185, that is 55 degree. That is also, it is 55 degree, right? Let us repeat once again. Find the unknown angles. Here you see that P and Q are parallel lines, and suppose this L is the transversal, right? Now here you see that this angle will be equal to this angle because these are corresponding angles. This is 125 degree, that angle D is also 125 degree because these are corresponding angles, right? Now here you see D and B, these are equal angles. Why? These are vertically opposite angles. This is 125 degree also, right? Now here you see this one, this angle, right? Here you see this is 125 degree, this is 125 degree, right? We can say that angle A and angle B, here angle A and angle B, these are line angles on the straight line. Therefore, you can say that angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, and angle A is equal to plus 125 degree equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle C is equal to 55 degree. Angle C is equal to 55 degree, right? And so angle C is equal to angle A because these are vertically opposite angles, right? And angle A is equal to angle E because these are corresponding angles. Then this is 55 degree, means this is also 55 degree. And here you see E and F, they are vertically opposite angle. We can say that angle F is also 55 degree. This is the solution of question number 3 of exercise 5.2. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.